Jamaica's reggae legend, Colvin George Scott, aka Coco Tea, has died, and the reggae fraternity is mourning. Greetings, greetings, and salutations, yeah, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, give me a follow. Build up the Rastaman panel. As the reggae legend Colvin Coco Tea Scott has died, Jamaica and the reggae fraternity is now in mourning. His wife, Malvia Scott, confirmed with the local paper that the veteran singer has passed away at 4:46 in the morning at Broward, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, following a cardiac arrest. He was only 65, ladies and gentlemen. I got a call, she said, early this morning to say that he had been transferred from the facility to the hospital, which is about 5 minutes away, because he was vomiting. He was initially diagnosed with lymphoma in 2029, but the last 6 months he was also struggling with pneumonia, Malva told the paper. Following his diagnosis 6 years ago, the non-give-up singer kept a positive outlook even in the very hard times. He was definitely very brave, shared Malvia, who is the mother of 3 of Coco Tea's children. He was positive throughout all. About 3 weeks ago, when he was admitted to the hospital, I asked if he was worried, and he said, "I'm always worried." He told me not to worry because everything was going to be all right. He was always very hopeful. Minister of Culture and Gender Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babs-Grain, told a local newspaper that she was very saddened by the passing of sweet Coco Tea. He has been a staple in the industry for so very long. He's one of the greatest reggae singers who have ever lived, and his work will stand the test of time. We salute him at this time. Condolences to the family. It has been a pleasure working with him over these years, and we are glad that he had the opportunity to give him some of his flowers while he was here with us. Many of these peaceful songs that Coco Tea have sung has gratified and given us peace to our soul. May he rest in peace, Babs-Grain stated. Known for his sweet melodic voice as well as his powerful chanting, Coco Tea's last performance was 3 years ago in Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. In 2019, the I Am the Toughest Singer performed at Buju Banton historical Long Walk to Freedom concert at the National Stadium in Kingston. Born in Rocky Point in Clarendon on September 3rd, 1959, Coco Tea started making his name in Jamaica from 1985 with his hit song, I Love My Sonia and Sweet Coco Tea. He became successful worldwide since the 1990s and expanded his fan base thrilling with songs such as Israel King, What Am I Gonna Do, Chant, Can't Stop Coco Tea, Holy Mount Zion, Rockin' Dolly, and ladies and gentlemen, River Island was the last turn for Coco Tea. And I want you to know that in this time, we want to send condolences to the sweet Coco Tea and his families. I'm telling you, because he was so great at his performance, we just want to make sure that we, send condolences. Now, like I was saying, he was on one of the most famous songs that he did was Rockers Island, which was turned into a dancehall tune. You remember the version by Northern Ranks titled Me No Like Rockers Island? But I remember them showing their record compilation, which was released the same year of his original Rockers Island. He also gained fame with his song Young Lover. He gained notoriety in March of 2008 after releasing a song titled Barack Obama in support of the U.S. presidential candidate by the same name. Coco Tea song Jam Made Them That Way for 1984 album Rockin' Dolly, who was the inspiration for Jamaica Human Nature by Michael Jackson, and Answered My Question by Dillinger. He's initiated an annual New Year's Eve event, Dancehall Jam Jam, in 2003. It ran until 2009, which plans to resurrect in 2015 after recording for many of the top reggae labels, including VP, Greensleeve Records, and Ross Record. He started his own Roaring Lion label in 2000. Ladies and gentlemen, another iconic legend from Jamaica. May his soul rest in power with the Most High, and condolences to the friends, the families, and the fans worldwide of Colvin George Scott. We know him as Sweet, Sweet Coco Tea. R.I.P. my legend. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, sadly announcing that our legendary reggae singer, Colvin George Scott, a.k.a. Sweet, Sweet Coco Tea, has transitioned to the Most High. A more life, and a more joy, and a more...
Watch for this is Wayne One, you know, so may I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Yeah man, big up to Deep Roots. Yeah man, you want to hear the tune? Tune into Deep Roots. Up top. What do do? Fire,